Welcome to this video, guys. Let's see how we can download and install Anaconda and Jupyter Notebook, and let's create our first Jupyter Notebook. First, go to this URL. I'll have this link in the description below. You can just click on it and you'll be taken here. Here, no need to provide your email. You can just click on skip registration, or if you want, you can enter your email and click submit. In any case, you will be taken to this page. You get a bunch of options here. So depending on your platform, you can just click on the installer. I'm on Windows, so I'll click on this. In your case, you can choose from here. If you're on Mac, you can choose from these three if you're on Linux. Now click on this graphical installer, and it's 912.3 MB, so it will take around 2 minutes for you to download. So let's wait till the download is complete. After a while, download will be complete. Now you can just click on open file and the installer will open. So in this installer, just click on next, click I agree. You can install it for just the current user, or you can install it for all the users. So your system might have different users. If you want Anaconda to be just available to you, just click next. If you want this to be available to everybody else, you can click on all users. I'll just install this for me for now and click on next. And this is where your Anaconda will be installed. Space required is 5.2 GB and the space available is 113.2 GB. So if you don't have space available in C drive, you can just click browse and choose any other directory from here. I'll just click cancel and install it in the default directory, that is the C drive. Click next, and here you get an option to register Anaconda 3 as the default Python. So if you check this, the Python that comes with Anaconda will be set as your default Python. Now no need to do anything else, just click on install, and finally your installation has started. Let's wait till the installation is complete. So after a very long time, probably around 5 or 6 minutes, the installation is complete. Just click on next and click next again. And here you get the option to choose launch Anaconda Navigator and this one. Uncheck this because it will just open the documentation. We don't want that. And click on finish and your Anaconda Navigator will open. So as you can see, Anaconda Navigator is now opening up. After it is open, we will open Jupyter Notebook and create our first notebook. Here you will see a bunch of packages. Some of these are already installed, like Anaconda Cloud Notebooks, Anaconda PowerShell prompt, and so on. Now here you will see Jupyter Lab and Jupyter Notebook. Now these two are also pre-installed with Anaconda Navigator. So you can just click on launch and Jupyter Notebook will open. Let's wait till it successfully opens up. Okay, so our Jupyter Notebook is now opening up. And now you can create your first notebook here by clicking on new and clicking on Python 3 IPY kernel. And Jupyter Notebook is now opening up. Here you can write your Python code. So let's write print hello world. And to run it, you can just click on this button. And as you can see, hello world is printed. So we have successfully installed Anaconda and Jupyter Notebook and created our first Jupyter Notebook. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.